struggling to keep your stock organized? Discover the best inventory management solutions that can streamline your operations, boost efficiency, and save you money. From cutting-edge software to essential strategies, find out what works best for your business and take control of your inventory today. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you which platform is the best inventory management software. So let's get started. The first step that you have to do is just go to the Zoho.com. This is the first one. So what is Zoho? Zoho offers a comprehensive set of over 45 integrated applications, making it a one-stop solution for various business needs. Its user-friendly interface and customizable features ensure quick adoption and tailored functionality. With competitive pricing and cloud-based access, it's accessible for businesses of all sizes. Plus, reduced customer support helps users maximize their experience effortlessly. So about this one, you have just to go here and click on for signing up and you start creating an account here. So you have to write your email address, your password, and then you click over sign up for free and you get started. So here we have Zoho One, the operating system for business. Run your entire business on Zoho with our in-file cloud software designed to help you break down silos between departments and increase organizational efficiency. So here we have a various information about Zoho. You can just know it. For example, here we have the core values and principles that drive us: long-term commitment, focus on research and development, customer first philosophy. Then you have to do your best work. Let's get started. You have just to sign up as I said, and you get started with Zoho. So this is it for Zoho, and let's move on to the next one, which is Square.com. So this is the homepage of Square.com. So Square offers user-friendly platform for easy payment processing and business management. Its comprehensive tools cover everything from invoicing to inventory management, all accessible via mobile. With transparent pricing and no hidden fees, businesses can easily manage costs. Plus, robust analytics provide valuable insights to drive growth and improve decision making. So we have just to open a browser and dive into Square.com. This is the homepage, as you can see. To get started, you have just to click over here, get started. You'll find this page. It's create your account. Signing up for Square is fast and free. No commitments or long-term contracts required. You have just to write your email address, your password. You choose here local, as you can see. Then you click over I agree and you click over continue. So this is about the signing up. So here we have also the pricing. So about the pricing, you will find it's for free, so in person, online, over the phone, or out in the field. No startup fees or monthly fees. Only pay when you take a payment. So it's for free, as you can see. We have also the plus one. You have to pay $29 per month. Premium one is custom plus processing fees. All right. This is about Square. Also, if you come back here, you'll find other things. Work smarter, automate for efficiency, and open up new revenue streams on the software and hardware platform millions of business trust. So this is for Square.com, and we have here Odoo.com. So Odoo provides an all-in-one solution with a comprehensive suite of applications for CRM, accounting, inventory, and more. Its customizable models allow businesses to tailor the platform to their specific needs. With a user-friendly interface, Odoo ensures quick onboarding and easy navigation. Plus, its scalable design makes it suitable for businesses of all sizes, enhancing productivity as you grow. So the first step that you have to do is just click over start. It's try it for free, or you click over here start now. It's free, and you will find this page. You have firstly to choose your apps, free instant access, no credit card. So you have just to click over the one you want. For example, we have your website, sales, operations, manufacturing, marketing, human resources, customization, and we have, so this is it. You can just choose the one you want and you get started with this. Then we have here the pricing, About the pricing is for free, as you can see, for one application only, a limited users auto line. Here we have all apps, and the customs one we have all apps also. This is for auto. Then we have the next one, which is Sortly. So Sortly features a user-friendly interface that simplifies inventory management with visual catalogs and customizable labels. Its mobile app allows for on-the-go tracking, making it convenient for businesses with flexible organization options. Users can tailor the system to meet their specific inventory needs. To get started, you have just to click over here, or you already have an account, you click over login and find your account. Here you'll find this page. We have never lost track of on each again. Simple, fast, and powerful inventory software, all for businesses and teams to stay organized. You click over sign up for the Google, or you can use the option of email address. You have to write your email address. You write your full name, your email address, and you create a password. Then you click over create an account and you get started with Sortly. So about the pricing of Sortly, here we have it's absolutely for free. Best for getting started. We have the thing that we have 100 unique items, and we have one user license. Alright, then we have the last one, which is Bitrix 24. So Bitrix24 provides a comprehensive suite of tools combining CRM, project management, and communication features in one platform. Its user-friendly interface enhances team collaboration and productivity, making workflow smoother with a flexible pricing model, including a free version. It caters to businesses of all sizes. So to get started, you click over start for free and you will find this page. You have to write your email address and you confirm that you are not a robot. Here we have your company, United, free unlimited online. Register today and get free forever plan and unlimited users. You also here choose the language that you want. So let's go to the pricing. So it's absolutely for free, as you can see. We have 5 GB unlimited also, and we have other package which is basic, standard, professional as well. Then we have here enterprise. So this is for Bitrix 24, and if I had to pick one, so I will just go to the Zoho. So Zoho would be the best overall choice for its comprehensive suite of integrated applications that cater to various business needs, including CRM, project management, and finance. It's versatile, customizable, and suitable for businesses of all sizes. So this is the one that I choose. You can choose the one you want. This is just my point of view, and this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video.